Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me Juni Endasari. At this time, I will explain a map and answer some question about places and direction. Part 1, a map and answer about location around it. Is there any public hospital near here? Where is it? There is a public hospital near here. It's located at the corner of Jalan Yosudarso and Jalan Marta Dinata and across from Ramayana. Where is the National Bank of Indonesia? The National Bank of Indonesia is at the western end of Jalan Yosudarso. It's located next to the Chinese restaurant and across from railway station. Where is Ramayana department store? Ramayana department store is at the eastern end of Jalan Yosudarso. It's located beside the Chinese restaurant and across from a public hospital. Excuse me, are there any restaurant around here? Where is it? Yes, there is a restaurant nearby. There is a Chinese restaurant on Jalan Yosudarso, located in the middle between the National Bank of Indonesia and Ramayana. Can you tell me where the drugstore is? Please. Sure. The drugstore is at the corner of Jalan Yosudarso and Jalan Marta Dinata, east of the railway station. Can you tell me the way to the railway station? Please. Of course. From the public hospital, walk straight along Jalan Yosudarso. The railway station is on the right side next to the drugstore. Part 2, talking about my hobby. Now, I would like to continue with the second part of presentation. Let me tell about my hobby. What is your hobby? My hobby is hiking. I really enjoy exploring the outdoors, walking through forests and climbing mountains. For me, it is a wonderful way to escape the city's hustle and bustle and recharge my energy. When do you usually do your hobby? I usually go hiking on weekends because that's when I have more free time. Sometimes, if there's a long holiday, I'll also plan a longer hiking trip. When do you usually do in your spare time? In my spare time, besides hiking, I also like to prepare for my next hike. This called me reading about new trails, checking my gear, or even watching documentaries about mountains. Do you do the activity very often? Yes, I'd say I go hiking quite often. I try to go at least a couple of times a month, depending on the weather and if my friends are available to join. How often do you do the activity in your spare time? I usually hiking around 2 to 4 times a month. If I cannot go hiking, I will try to do other physical activities like walking in a park or cycling to stay fit. Where do you usually go for recreation? I usually go to the smaller mountains or hills near my city. If I get the chance, I love to explore higher mountains or national parks known for their hiking trails. That's all for my video presentation this time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope my explanation was clear and helpful. See you next time and have a great day. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.